is a pretty tight bundle. It's Stitch Fix, and I'm excited to open it, share it with you real quick, and then do a try on. Hi everyone, I'm Barbara. Welcome to my channel and welcome to a Stitch Fix unboxing and try on. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through these really quick. I'm going to hold up the items. I'll put the information on the screen, also in the description. If you haven't tried Stitch Fix, they have a $20 styling fee, which is applied to anything that you purchase from that particular box. And if you use my referral link, we both get a $25 credit. Yes! And I think the credit lasts 90 days. So, you know, you could get another box if, you know, use it within that 90 days. You don't have to use it right away. I think that's pretty good. I like it. I like it. I like it. Okay, so I have become a big fan of Stitch Fix. It took me a while to get on board, honestly, because I just didn't have the right stylist that understood my style. I actually have Emma, who I love Emma. She does a great job. Now, let's just be honest. Not everything works out all the time. That's okay. It's the way it goes. Let's see. You can send a personal, you can put a note as to things that you're looking for. I didn't put anything in this time. I'm just kind of like, what do you got? Send it to me. Let's see if I still have Emma before I say all this. I have Emma. Happy Fix Day, Barbara. Which fix number is this for me? This is fix number 37. Okay, so I've got a nice note I'll read later, and then they give you a style sheet with suggestions on how you can style the items that they put into your bundle. And then here's the price sheet. I'm gonna see how much this one is. Oh, $363. And then if I keep all 5, there's a $90 discount. That's a pretty bundle. All right, let's see what Emma did for me. Feels like a sweater. Oh, feels nice. Oh, this is kind of cute. Not a color I usually gravitate towards, but you never know till you get it on. It's pretty cute. Feels nice. That's the thing with Stitch Fix. The quality is really good. I love the quality in their clothes. Okay. She knows that I've been wanting some of these kind of pullover type things because I'm wearing a lot of sweatshirt, or not sweatshirts, t-shirts right now. And I like something simple to put on over the top. Let's see. This, you know, it feels, I don't know. It's not like that warm feeling that I like in a sweatshirt or a pullover. Okay, well, we'll try that on. Let's see. Ooh, I don't like this color at all. Oh, Emma, if you're watching, don't send me this kind of print. I mean, it kind of looks like a gray, but a purple, and then it's got the speckles in it. That type of fabric, material. I just don't know. But you know what? I've been surprised before. You try something on and you're like, whoa, I like this. What are these? Ooh, I don't like the feel of these either. Emma, no. Ooh, these are going to show these are joggers. They're going to show every bulge, every, what do you call it? Cellulite, every roll on my legs, on my thighs. This is like, ooh, no. Oh, no, 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 no. All right, we're not doing so well right now. But again, we don't know till we try them on. Oh. They're right in the knees. No, 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 no. I like the stressing. I mean, and the color's okay. There's a little distressing on the pocket there and here. It's unfinished hem. They look like they're straight legs, which is nice. You know, never say never to try them on. So let's get to the try on. Okay, I'm just gonna stop here for a minute. I wanna look at the paperwork to see what I have on. And let's see, this fleece, it is a fleece. It is nice on the inside. It does feel warm. It's by Threads for Thought, $59, size small. And then I have the joggers on. They are Beyond Yoga, Lounge Around Jogger in black, size medium. So that was smart, $88. No way. And then the shirt on underneath is mine. Okay. Oh my gosh. These joggers do not feel like I have anything on. I would not, I guess they're just for the house. Or if you do yoga, let me back up and show you these. Okay, first of all, look how short they are. Oh, I do not like that at all. I want to keep pulling them down, like have them longer. They are so thin that I'm serious. It does not feel like I have anything on. Oh gosh, it has the drawstring and it is a real drawstring. Okay, here's the back. Oh, I cannot wait to get these off. I do not like these at all. I mean, and when you walk, the bottom they kind of move up a bit. So no, if you're looking for something to maybe sleep in, I don't sleep in bottoms. I get too hot. I don't know about you girls, but this girl cannot wear bottoms or long sleeves to bed. $88. No, thank you. Okay, this fleece is nice, I have to admit. And the price isn't bad at $59. I did ask for something a little warmer. So it does have the fleece inside. It is kind of thinner, so it's lightweight, which I like. There's just nothing on the sleeve. You know, it has the reflector inside, but you're not gonna see that. It's not even a reflector, it's just a trim. It's a zip. The length is good, and the bottom has the same trim piece as what's here on the sleeve. And it goes all the way around. Okay, I'm gonna show you the type of, what do you call this? Like an athletic pullover jacket. I'm gonna show you what I really am hoping to get in my boxes. Here's a better look at the fabric. Okay, so I just bought this because I want something warm, because when I'm in Ohio, it is so cold, although it's pretty cold here too. This is more of what I'm looking for. So I can wear this around the house. I can wear it out. It's got the pockets, the zipper. I can zip it all the way up when I'm outside. It is windy here today. It does have the thumb holes, which I like and I do use when I walk. And some of them, not this one, but some of them that I have, they actually fold over so it can keep your hands warm also. This I like. This is actually, I just bought this from Dick's Sporting Goods when I was in Ohio. And it's Carrie Underwood's brand. What's it called? Cowl or something? In Dick's, they have two colors. And I really didn't want the bright white. Look how cute that is. I really wanted, well, they had another color, but it was this dingy kind of purple color. This is nice and thick. It's like a fleece on the inside, and then it's got like the pleating right here. It's lightweight, but yet it's very warm. And then here's the other one. I wear this thing all the time. This is from Lululemon, and it has stretch. I like things that have stretch in them. This thing is, I can't even tell you how old it is, but Yeah, I bought this when I was like 15 pounds lighter. But I do suck it in, zip it up, have the pockets. There you go. Love these, love, love, love. And I like the, I don't know what kind of material. Again, then, oh, these are the ones that have where they fold over. Really helpful when you're walking outside when it's cold. But this is more of what I had in mind of what I'm looking for. This is really nice, but it's not, there's nothing to it. If I'm gonna wear, and I wear the pullovers like this too, and I like them, but I need something. Give me something. So I like this gray, believe it or not, but it has the black trim that kind of sets it off. Okay, let's see what's next. Oh my, where to start? Let's start with the sweater. The sweater is very pretty. It really is. It fits well. It's very soft. I like the print of it. It's a good length. Yeah. The print lines up. Let's see. Who is this by? Sanctuary. It's a Maxwell pullover, $88. No, I like it, but I don't love it for $88. It is pretty soft though. Okay, and then the jeans are Alicia high-rise distressed straight, $88. And no, these are, they don't feel like they have any stretch in them, and I'm sure they do. Yeah, they do, but they just don't feel like it. They don't feel, I don't feel good in them. The distressing right in the knees, I don't like, and I like distressing, but not when it's in the knees. I actually started to poke my foot through there when I put them on. They are the unfinished hem. I rolled them up thinking I might like them better. I do like that they are straight legs. Here they are rolled down. So these are a no. All right, I have one item left. Okay, this is by Fortune and Ivy, cowl neck. They call it a pink. I guess it looks purple to me, but I guess maybe it's pink with some gray in it, I would say. I mean, it's cute, it's long, it's very kind of lightweight, it is very soft. Again, the quality of Stitch Fix items is typically pretty good. Goes up on the side, covers your bum, would look great with leggings. Let's see how much this is. Oh, $40. Nah, I don't like it for $40. No. So between this top, the pullover that I had on, the joggers, no thank you, the sweater, and the jeans, I mean, they're cute. They really are. They're just not for me right now for, I don't, you know, for the price and for the, well, definitely not the joggers. I mean, these joggers, here they are. They are so thin. I don't know. I just know. So everything's going back. I'm not keeping anything. I'm not overly excited about anything. I like that the quality of the items that I received, but I'm not paying $88 for this. I mean, it's cute. I like it. I'd probably wear it, but not for $88. And this would probably be the only item that I would consider keeping. The pullover, it's just too blah. I mean, there's nothing special about it. It's just plain. So I got other ones that I like better, so I'm gonna return that. So everything's going back. So that's it. That's all I have for you guys. So that was easy. Everyone have a wonderful morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you are, from my home to yours.